We have very good customer service. When somebody calls in to talk about our products, they get a live person right away and somebody that can answer their questions.
One of the things I enjoy is when customers call in because they need help troubleshooting their process, and I'll be able to help them, and then I get the satisfaction from helping them for 30 minutes or an hour or whatever it takes to get their process back up and running. It's just one of the small joys that I get from this job.
We want to excel at exceeding their expectations. I get excited to fulfill the requests of our customers and make sure they can receive their product and shipments as expected, if not sooner.
If a customer has specific requirements for a product that maybe we don't have today, we can work with them to develop maybe a custom product or alter a formula for their exact needs, where a larger corporation probably would not have the ability to do that.
When we solve a problem for a customer, or we see our distributors' eyes light up when they realize they can solve a problem for their customers, it's extremely rewarding. Hearing the positive comments about our products and about our customer service and the excitement that people have when they find our products is amazing. It makes us know that we're doing it right.